Hey, welcome back to my channel. Just wanted to, I got a question for you. All of my subscribers, I thought, you know what, I'll just ask you guys, what do you want to see? Just with everything going on, I'm kind of down in the dumps. I haven't really been in the mood to film anything. Haven't been flying a whole lot. Everything has been canceled. So like all the events have been canceled. And normally that's kind of where I get some of my inspiration for my videos, because I'll talk to a handful of guys and I'll say, hey, you know, what exactly, or how did you do that? Or have you ever seen this? Or somebody will say, you know, man, I've had this problem for a long time. And then I'll get home and I'll investigate and I'll figure out, well, what exactly is the problem and how to fix it. And then I'll make a video. And before I even started putting stuff on YouTube, I was just doing videos, because you can't email a video. But doing YouTube and then private listing it and everything, that was like the best way that I could help somebody out. I would just say, hey, you know, I'll make a quick video how to fix that or how to do that. And then somebody along the line, I'm not going to name any names, talked me into making my videos public. So that's kind of how it got started. But Propsoff is basically a channel where we take our props off, we put it on the bench, we figure out what's wrong. You know, I don't even own an HD camera. I mean, okay, I lied. I own an HD camera. I own a 4K Coup. I think I paid $30 for this piece of junk. But by the way, this one, if you're moving real slow through the air, it's fine. But if you try to do any, you know, tricks, you know, you put it in your holder here, and then you can. Anyway, that was kind of a waste of money. But my channel is basically bench, you know, kind of figuring out problems or putting stuff together and that kind of nature. So I'm just kind of twirling a couple of my quads while I talk. But basically, I'm kind of curious to wonder what you guys might be interested in learning about or knowing about, and you know, if you see something and you're like, oh, what is that, or how does that work? But this is my favorite 3-inch quadcopter right now, and this is basically nothing more than the ER, which is the Diashone E-Sheen mix. It's the ER 349 on a different frame. This is Freestyle frame. But this thing is, man, this thing is just so much fun. On a 650 milliamp battery, this thing rips around. It's a lot of fun. But yeah, 1408 motors. These Mamba 1408 motors are absolutely awesome. But yeah, I don't know. I want to help out. I want to make a new video that would be useful to somebody. I need some inspiration. I need some, I don't know, I just kind of need something. I haven't really been in the mood to do much anything. I got 8 minutes of flight out of him, and he rips. This guy rips. But yeah, pretty cool. My last one I'm going to show you is just this one here. This is my Freestyle. This thing's a brick. You can throw this thing at the side of a building and nothing happens. It's too much fun. This one don't get no flight time though. I get like 5 minutes of flight out of this thing. I like beating on it though. But yeah, I appreciate it. I really appreciate everybody subscribing to my channel. I would appreciate, you know, maybe some questions and comments. What do you guys want to see? I run the QX7 and ACCST. I don't know very much about Access, and nor will I ever, because I am not going to do any more FR Sky. So, but that's the transmitter I got, and that's the XM, the XM Plus, and the RXSR are the 3 receivers that I work with. So, for now anyway, I'm going to be doing some Crossfire and DJI. I'm going to be messing around with the Radio Master here pretty soon too. YouTube, for some reason, isn't sending me notifications. I noticed there's a bank of comments that I never got to see. I never even knew existed. So I apologize to everyone that I didn't respond to your comment, because normally I like to at least give a thumbs up to every comment if it's really short, but every question I've tried and wanted to answer. So I apologize to all of you that didn't get a response. Trying to figure out why that is. So, but hey, I appreciate you. I really do. Enjoy the breeze, and thanks for your time. Have a good one.